Hey everyone, welcome to urtechduck. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to improve your Calendly booking page to make it more professional and user-friendly. Let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account. Click on Event Types, then choose the event you want to improve, or create a new one. Start by customizing your page title. Make it clear and professional, such as schedule a meeting or book a consultation. This gives your invitees an idea of what the meeting is about. Next, add a personalized description. This helps set expectations for the meeting. You can include details like the agenda or any information invitees need to prepare beforehand. Make your availability more flexible by setting time slots that work best for your audience. You can also enable buffer time between meetings to avoid back-to-back bookings. Another great way to improve your page is by adding invitee questions. You can ask for information like the purpose of the meeting or any specific topics they want to discuss. This helps you prepare ahead of time. If you want to make the booking process even easier, integrate your calendar Google Calendar or Outlook so that Calendly can automatically check for conflicts. Finally, personalize your branding by uploading a profile picture or logo and customizing the color scheme to match your brand. This gives your booking page a more professional and cohesive look. And that's it. You've successfully improved your Calendly booking page. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to urtechduck for more tech tips. See you in the next one.